Yahya states that he and Abdullah bin Yazid went to Hazrat Abu Salama radiyallahu anhu and dispatched a messenger to him. There was a mosque beside his house door. When he came out, we were in the mosque. He said, "If you please come into the house. If you please keep sitting here." We said, "We will sit here. You may narrate a hadith to us." He said that Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr bin As radiyallahu anhu said to me, "I would always fast and recite the Quran every night. I was mentioned before Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon sent for me. When I entered his presence, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Haven't I been notified that you always observe fast and every night recite the Quran?' I submitted, 'Why not, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? But I intended nothing but good by this worship.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'It is sufficient for you to observe only 3 fasts per month.' I submitted, 'O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I enjoy strength to do more than it.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, 'Your wife enjoys a right over you. Your guest has a right over you. Your body exercises a right over you. You should keep the fasts of Hazrat David, Allah's Prophet alayhi salam. For he alayhi salam would worship Allah Jalla Jalaluhu more than all people.' I submitted, 'O Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what is Hazrat David's fasting?' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he alayhi salam would keep fast one day and omit it the other day, fasting on alternate days. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Complete the Quran once in a month.' I submitted, 'O Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have strength to do more.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Then complete the Quran once within 20 days.' I submitted, 'I have strength to do more than it.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Then complete the Quran once within 10 days.' I submitted, 'I have strength to do more than it.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Then complete the Quran once within 7 days, and do not take greater pauses than it, as you owe your wife a right, you owe your guest a right, you owe your body a right.' Hazrat Ibn Amr radiyallahu anhu said, 'I put myself in privation, so I was put in trouble.' Hazrat Ibn Amr radiyallahu anhu said, 'The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you do not know you can enjoy longevity.' Hazrat Ibn Amr said, 'I then reached the age Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam pointed to me. When I grew old, I thought, would that I had accepted the concession granted by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.' Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2722.